so amazing. I so wanted this. Thank you to you. Okay, what do I say? I'm actually no words. Abhay, what do I talk about? Yeah. You're so much with knowledge. I don't know from how you manage. In fact, I've been telling even at my place, you know. In fact, I was telling Maria yesterday and Ashwini, I want to be like you. I really look upon you so much because you're different. At least what I have come across through many things. I really want to be like you in terms of so grounded. That's the best part I like about you and Auntie. So damn grounded. What a combination. I came with nothing. I'm going with so much. Of course, the learning, definitely so much of love, so much of gratitude, and such beautiful souls. I'm sure we will be in touch. Thank you so much. Okay, Abhay.